ekusu ekwaso o Morocco WAFCON no se seminu ka se semi-final ene yadura yeba abebo ama niema yina atumi akos na semi-final no first game eba so no 9 anwumere na san Nigeria body atia South Africa the Super Falcons of Nigeria and the Bayana of South Africa and ebo sa game na enso enye ansem kitu akra and Ramun so Nelson nonso Morocco and the Atlas Lioness of Morocco ebo atia the Black Queens of Ghana atase enyan senke 20 ne Ghana and Morocco game no nonso second Ecos Olympic Stadium and atase nonso uramu awalabi Zwali Stadium no nan ya Nigeria ebo atia Ghana enye announce ebo atia South Africa ntinu Ghana mabawa no ejina kono ene enyan senketwa famabawa no to so na yenwe amukakra ye omankonkono Ghana Black Queens atase Kimlas and mabawa no ebe fanie yes internet 12 kene eba so kamu se Morocco na the host nation obo atia Ghana atase enyan senketwa udwani o Facebook udwani o YouTube abetundo prediction no atumi aba Ghana Morocco na yawe se Black Queens so no ugidie wo mu no etesen na Kimlas head coach edema the Black Queens of Ghana ono na din sam etudwa Kimlas eden sampi etudwa o chim se tase na approach odiruam ahead of Morocco game no anya approach ketwa o se approach odiruam no prepare guess no anya sam ketwa kra yente Kimlas ano aya chasa no so no Kimlas no yede acha se ne nsam ne bi ebeba na onso wo nsama Kimlas ede tudwa na yentra so na iwacha se yemfa bi so entumi ema yes yenko producer se bi bia ntentem so yenko chensema Kimlas ede tudwa approach a odiruam ahead of Morocco game no.
First, it's going to be a tough away game for us in front of a lot of people, but I also know with experience it will help you if you have a good day as a home country, but I also know it can be the opposite. I know how quiet it can be, even if it's 21,000 or whatever it will be. I know when it's quiet and you have scored a goal, the boost that it will give us will be huge. So you can change how you want to think about the situation as well. You can take care of the movement, and I'm hoping.
Ano head coach Edema the Black Queens of Ghana Kimlas and I woten in cancelled in some P tuja no some eden send me elto so as a peki game planner ebe fiti blast announce Black Queens ebe suit guess no against Morocco ene entine Morocco mawu yenche Kimlas
Coach, it means that I watch everything I can find when it comes to opponent because I would like to have control. In the end of the day, I'm not the one that playing the games, but I at least for myself want to have the control, and I want to give, together with my staff, the players, the most realistic game plan that we can have, both when it comes to the opponents' like strength and weaknesses, but also to match them up with our skills.
Okay, no, Chelsea Kimlas Nelson, Joe Kegren, head coach Edema the Black Queens of Ghana, and our team in Kano. Now, Odin Senobi a Chatwana, young for an or sim prayers, no, I or where said the prayers need training. No, I said the prayers in a progress no to Musa Combiaso Neno game, no, what I say, I did be an answer, steps saying, yeah, be a place in the Bitiki, no more for Wendy Amagana.
Yeah, as I said from the start, like in a tournament, it's a little bit different way to think. You need to be there every single day, and if you compare like a club team, you're looking a little bit more long term. But in one way, also important to grow and take steps. And I think we have seen many of our players that have taken steps in just a couple of weeks, and we are a better team now than just like 1-2 months ago, and I'm really happy to see that process, and that's why I think even if the recovery process will not be the best before this game, I still believe in my players. I know that we can do it tomorrow.
Okay, I know Kimlas, head coach Edema the Black Queens of Ghana, head of an Amukema Amonso El Kobodiatia, the Atlas Lioness of Morocco, and Amonso at the San Semino Etuja. Now, Captain Edema the Black Stars of Ghana, Jordan Ayew. Jordan Ayew had message akoma the Black Queens of Ghana. Na the message what I said ne kuni nche wonom tin. Jordan no ma sem nyina aye say to onu angasa ne sisters. Nunua maamom anwo feduam mu say. What has already determination skills. Just anwodi a na tetinwe kamudi akon adu level. Amaya de obuma so ahead of Miguel Mokobodi atia the host nation Morocco no or just Ghana for ina tamachi Blasters place ina tamachi Ghana football family ina tamachi omo wish him all the best o pise kwambia so and then Mobama say Morocco woto na mo nso no matimi so aroma grand finale a ademo nsan e post kwambia so se ne mutimi so make history ma bia nso ekoso go out there, give it your all, and make Ghana proud. Let's do this, Queens. On here, dear Jordan, are you Captain Edma Blasters? Who do to me the one qualifier crime union? Well, St. Chanon Semusme the Epa. Now, for Kudus Mohammed, the star boy. And also a player Edma the Blasters of Ghana. And also Rama and Namino say Kudus and then a message. I call Ediama the Black Queens of Ghana. Yanko Chi, the star boy in summer, and also editor the Black Queens of Ghana. Omani Yenti Kudus.
Hi, Black Queens. Mohamed Kudus here. I'm just here to wish you guys all the best in your upcoming games. I'm really proud of your energy, your hard work, and fight to defend the country, Ghana. I'm really looking forward to your next game, and I hope you guys bring the gold home. Wish you all the best, and we are behind.
Yes, I know Kudus Mohamed, the star boy. And watching in cancer on also the Pinano to Jama Bianso to me Akoso. Nam Urama de Tias chairman Edema Parliamentary announce a Parliamentary Sports Committee Ernest Nogbe. No another some Atuja as a Black Queens na idea, Baby Madri, Mariabasbos co echo the Black Queens of Ghana, Yintino.
That I rise today in my capacity as the chairman for the Youth and Sports Committee of the Parliament of Ghana to extend a heartfelt congratulations to our national women's football team, the illustrious Black Queens of Ghana, for their outstanding and hard-fought victory over a well-determined Algerian women's national team in the ongoing Women's African Cup of Nations far away in Morocco. With this triumph, the team has successfully advanced to the semi-final stage of the competition, where they will take on the host nation Morocco on Tuesday, the 22nd July 2025, which will be tomorrow. Mr. Speaker, this achievement is not a sporting milestone. It is a celebration of Ghanaian resilience, unity, and excellence. The Black Queens have consistently demonstrated commendable resilience, focus, and commitment throughout the tournament.
Okay, Honorable Ernest Nogbe, Chairman Edema Parliamentary Sports Committee, and I didn't Sempinano Atumenso Atujano. Na Yamra Suyane Ansana, and I say Yamra Bono Ansana, ya science work of Parliament, and I say Yako Black Queens and Sending Kakra. Honorable Dixon Chile Dia, a member of Parliament, Edema Brekum East, Stuttgart, no. Wabobo Mabruta, or your former RFA chairman. Wabo Juma Chesenya Senkito Akra. Na honorable and I didn't some Atuja and our parliament HM say so most stadiums at the new regions of Mabana among Kai Bono, especially Sunyane, Yenibi, Coronation Park dear and Sony Yentino.
Mr. Speaker, economically, football creates significant amount of jobs from professional players, referees, technical teams, event makers. It is therefore important as a country to invest in the sport we love so much, that is football. Mr. Speaker, may I take this opportunity to make reference to the public statement recently made by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to the effect that all the 6 new regions are going to get modern stadia. I'm very confident Western North will have one, and probably Bibiani will be the venue. May I also take this opportunity, Mr. Speaker, to plead that when these new regions are being considered, the epicenter of football in Ghana, that is Bono region, specifically our regional capital, Sunyani, should be considered for a modern stadium as well as my constituency, Brekum West, Mr. Speaker, which has 6 Division 2 clubs, namely Fetenta Jinyame, Anyimom FC, Jinijini Jaffa, Domfete Galazi, Adom Afar Soccer Academy, and my own football club, Eagle Soccer Academy, of which I'm the proud owner and the bank ruler. Notwithstanding the fact that we have 6 teams in the constituency, there is not a single playing field. The teams are forced to move to either Brekum East or Sunyani West to play league matches. So I'm pleading that as President is considering building 6 for the new ones and Sunyani being the epicenter to be considered, Brekum West will also have a modern facility.
Okay, I know Honorable Kwabena Chire Stuttgart and Martin Nkano. Honorable Yaminsha Onyo Kesia Nonyo Bulu. I say, where are dear pa? Yan Twasom now, Honorable Honorable Kwabena Chire Stuttgart Abasun, a Parliament Tronoma. Dear Tian, sir, Honorable Vincent Echo Asefwa. I onon so I say, dear Black Queens, Ayanwa Chasemurokwa. Ghana for more Casana Black Queens, and a Black Queens phone in Bobo, and a Black Queens Equanimina, a MPP. MPP for a statue project, and an easy for Bedison Fashion and Moyaga guy. Or more Antino, Obiancan and Tunkra. Dear Black Queens saying an MPP for more than more. Yentin.
Beyond the celebration of this victory lies a story of resilience, long-term investment, and sustained commitment, particularly in the often underappreciated area of women's football. While recent support must be acknowledged, this achievement is undeniably built on the foundation laid by the previous New Patriotic Party's government, which took deliberate steps to reposition women's sport as a national priority. It was under the leadership of the NPP that we witnessed the revamping of the Women's Premier League through structured funding and logistical backing. It was again under the leadership of the New Patriotic Party that we witnessed the construction of the many astroturfs and sports infrastructure across the country, providing modern and accessible training facilities. It was under the leadership of the NPP that we witnessed the development of female-focused football policy frameworks through the Ghana Football Association, supported and encouraged by a government that believed in gender equity in sports, and targeted capacity-building programs for coaches and female sports professionals to ensure quality growth from the grassroots to the national level. Mr. Speaker, these investments were not headlines. They were real, strategic, and visionary. Today, the fruits of that legacy are being harvested, and not by any single administration, but by...
Okay, no, Honorable Vincent Eko Asefwana watching in cancer on Suripi. To Janona Eko no. Ekuadena Ghana for a pen, my politics. Yan Twaswem, and now Urama wouldn't say, and 21st day of July, and Chelsano Parliamentary Select Committee of Sports, and about 2 Jasomba Ramu, Young, and Sono, yes, sports, a Yomusi, and Academy, Boteman, Aqua Coese, Yabacoso, wouldn't say Botemano, Nurse, a young National Sports Authority, sir. Nene amino can say yes, Sports and Recreation Minister Amaje and Honorable Kofi Adams and Shenansa on so Timia Suntine, but as a Parliament Select Committee of Sports, no, Eberoma Kwakwe Boteman. Now, Anopoya na report on so every Aswayo Eba HM say Parliament our sitting on a pay, Tomukasa mo kwana entumi enya possible. Entino omo tu area shada, name date in Ankasana Omba Kwana de Archer say any money omni beba nemo Yanchen Kakra, Nana the any awesome Komuko Boteman Ekwano, Omo Enyankwa, Kamu se Boteman. Aya stadium I see, Eddie host all African games, no. Nene watch I say Aqua Santo Gentino, Parliament Select Committee, no. Correse, Nema announce able to me Akoso, Eddie Ama Botima, Nemo because of Nelson, no, Sono, Aya Chase, sitting Akoso on a point, no. Omo Antumi and Roma Edmond San Eba, Yanko Metema, Kumasi and Santi Koroko. Na young coding comment. Now Sandy Koroko Timinum, the Mensa Aka, and it's Sasani Koroko, South Africa. Ekobo ne cup no against Chelsea Kaizer Chiefs aba oboka ko campi obo Cape Coast e dey prepare ahead of Nelson no Aya gaka tofo eba so between Kumasa Sande Koroko Bibiani Kosa also folk around first no Hearts of Lions wa Edmund San Panoro ne Dini Kojo Atamen Sam and I didn't some to just say all se Koroko Timino ye jamu edema aya company omunso adwuma say omuya sports management omuya sports so no omuya Koroko anya sa dia Koroko de kwede emfa yentie no.
So the structure is a problem. We need to focus on giving the team to a company that, like an FSG, their focus is sports. But then we have some clauses in there. You can't move the team from Kumasi. That one out. You can't change our red. You can't change our porcupine yellow, our porcupine logo with the green and black. You can't. Those are the colors of us, green, black, and yellow. Colors of Asante.
Yeah, that's Asante.
So there are some things you can't just plug in there. And I've said it. I always use the Cardiff example. We learned the lesson from Cardiff, where when they handed over the team to the Thai people, because Asia people like red, they were moving their color from blue to red, and there was Aluta, Cardiff broke loose. So there are measures we can put in place to ensure. But this, and then the person will go on and come back and say, Kotoko owes him. Or hey. Imagine. You know that?
Yeah,
No.
Yeah.
So the structure has to be.
Okay, no, Mr. Kojo Atamen Sansmore to Jarefo Kumasa Sande Koroko no. Now the bit to also say Koroko Paso ko Africa. No ko perform yedia. Uncle for former Melody Sundance coach. Former Ila coach of Saudi Arabia. Urani Dini Picho Mosimani. No me Kojo Koroko team if not among Africa.
I say, Kotoko, listen to me. If we want to make an impact in Africa, this is my view. If we really want to make an impact in Africa and not do what we've been doing all this, I think we need to hire a coach who has been there, done it, and won the t-shirt. Who do I recommend? I strongly will tell my Kotoko people that if we want to make an impact in Africa, we should go for Pitso Mosimani, the man who won the Champions League with.
And here, Mr. Kojo Atamen Sansmore to Jadia for Kumasi Asante Koroko Timino. Yet also Yedin Komodia, Uninsa, the second edition of the Democracy Cup, and also Enche Ebebasona launch no 24th of July, and I just Ebas or the Parliament of Ghana. In the Parliament also, and I just the second edition of the Democracy Cup on the launch Ebas with 3 p.m. on the 24th of July, and I launch in Ebaswa. Edmondson Accra Great Olympics, Oli Masi, Oli Sports Stars, Oli Kole, Oli Bibiabi. What I say, Olympics are appointed former Okwa United head coach Sule Adams as the new head coach. And now some Ketram, that's a son so on Bobo Chima in 2025-2026 cinema. Edmondson ever sporting director and John Ma, over Kami Oruanity, and some just Sule Adams. Edmondson ever Ganani Ababawa Niti, and Sono, and if free I see a young signing contract, Ediama Watford LC, Emma Bawana, Equia Juma Atumenso Ediama Mom from Charlton Women LC, NT Nurses and all, Watford Emma Bawana, Frida I see Sono, Eya Juma Edema, Edmondson Epa, Etenwa, and Joma Ediana Stars, the Fireboys, a confirmed the son of Crawford Boache. Intene Crawford Boachi adjoining Joma Adriana Stars Timino from a year on your Timotini Vision Elsia, a young Saint Kutra Branch and a midfooter, and one area Ian Medica, a signed contract, 3 years contract, and was signed Ediama Joma Adriana Stasia, Edmondson Panayon Qua, open such a Gregory, goalkeeper Edema Brekum Chelsea. And I mean, say, Omen such a Gigore, Thomas Nelson, or Mohan and maybe a trim, Uniatri Thomas, go post, Ma, Bo, Pianoji, and they were joining to Mabiana Sastimina from a young Ayachas Brekum Chelsea, 3 years contract, and on Sono, as in sign out to me, Ediama Chasono, a year, Doma, Abiana Stars, into Nelson, Doma Abiana Stars, Ubehuno, Gregory, or Muko Posonum, this is name Masaud Inusa, Nelson, Gregory, Ebea Dama, Doma Abiana Stasia, Yadi Anumum Comono Atumin. nso eba na yemfa we nyana yemfa ntwato emfa madia abranche ne tini Jeremy Doku a player at Manchester City oye Belgium international mum nanchi efiri Ghana ha eno ntini waba Ghana obedi holidays na obeduru ya no ene enroa ena Chelsea no nso officially wanya ne Ghanaian passport enti Jeremy Doku ono nso anya Ghanaian passport hono ma ono ana we no school nso no one Chelsea no nso no foreign minister Okuja Tabla kwa ena Chelsea mo nso one passport no e man kama nti Jeremy Doku de Ghana de se okoba ni a enya asanketu edi mu ensem no nso e ma kama ense yaba ne yabedi nsanimu enkomo